I'm here with
Nino Abana. I'm the president of the Tourism Association here in San Vicente, Palawan. It's called United Tourism Enterprises Association of San Vicente.
and I believe sir, di ba, San Vicente is the capital. So, sir,
Well, in January, from 18 to 22, we're going to have the second San Vic Surf Competition. And it will be an open competition where we'll have surfers from all over the Philippines, at least some international surfers, to join us in the surfing competition. Kasi San Vicente has been declared the surfing capital of Palawan.
wow, nice.
Now, as a lead up to the event, there will be other surfing competitions in Palawan, at Tabon and in El Nido. And then the culmination of all those surfing events will be here in San Vicente.
That being said, it's really a tourist destination, sir. But,
Yeah, if you're talking about a beach destination, there's nothing that compared to San Vicente because we have more than 100 kilometers of 100 kilometers of beachfront. All white sand, as you can see here. Dito po gagawin yung surf competition. Also, we boast of the longest stretch of continuous white sand beach in the Philippines, 14.7 kilometers. So, hindi lang yung Long Beach, pati yung other beaches, pag pinagsama-sama mo yan, 100 kilometers.
wow. So, talagang ang haba niya talaga, no, sir?
Marami kaming beaches dito. If you want a beach destination, dito na kayo pumunta.
Correct.
The other thing is we also have other features dito, gaya ng natural forest, waterfalls, fantastic views. I think you've been to Matunining.
Yes, but I mean,
O ano masasabi mo doon?
very breathtaking, sir.
So, breathtaking all in one town.
Yes,
Diba?
correct.
Sa isang taon lang, makikita nyo lahat. Hindi yung mga areas na malamig, kapuan ng Tagaytay, tapos yung kapuan ito, tapos may surfing pa. Ang magandang feature namin sa surfing dito is nadinig naman natin na ang surfing is very popular in other parts.
Correct.
Pero ang kaibahan naman ng surfing natin dito sa San Vicente, Palawan is ang huhulugan mo bumakit. Saan? So the advantage is, if you're a new surfer, even if you're an advanced surfer, it's a lot safer.
Correct.
And then the other thing is, these surfing waves are actually good for all.
For beginners and beginners.
Yeah, it's good for beginners, and it's also challenging enough for professionals.
Correct.
So, kumbaga, for a surfer, yun ang hinahanap ko eh, kasi not everyone is on the same level.
Correct.
So, yun. And then at the same time, we have excellent waves here, and then it can take you all the way to shore. That's it. The other thing is, every turtle laying season, we have these giant sea turtles
Yes, sir.
that come to the beach and lay
Meron
eggs.
din dito, sir.
Dito, lahat ng beach.
Oo, kasi kahapon, sir, na ano namin, experience namin yung turtle na
Nag-island hopping kayo. Okay. Yun yung mga turtle na wild na ikot.
Oo.
Pero at certain times of the year, nangingitlog sila. So, lahat sila pumunta rito sa beach namin sa San Vicente, lahat ng beach dito, para i-lay yung eggs nila. They will dig their eggs, and they will dig a hole, and then lalagay nila mga 90 to 100 eggs. And after 90 days, papipisa yung egg, and then they will go up, and then they will crawl to the sea.
Wow.
So it's such a wonderful experience, just to show na napaka-pristine pa dito ang natural resources.
It's really unmatched beauty of
Diba? Oh. So we're requesting that all developers have to follow all the rules and regulations ng DNR, pati ng KESA, kasi economic zone tayo.
Ayun, thank you so much for sharing your your insights about San Vicente, Palawan. So let's invite them to invest here in Palawan. So again, sir, thank you so much, and looking forward for the competition sa surfing.
Yeah.
Hope we will be there.
Well, we'd like to invite everyone to attend the surfing competition, to enjoy our waves, to learn how to surf, kasi
Yes.
that's quite exciting. At the same time, to enjoy the beauty of San Vicente, Palawan.
All right.